Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the product type and reading the label for concentration and safety limits. This prevents misuse. Put on gloves and a mask, and remove kids and pets from the area to reduce exposure. Once done, test spray on a discrete surface to confirm nozzle function and coverage. You want a consistent mist. Make sure to check wind and humidity. Spraying into the wind or rain reduces effectiveness and increases drift, so pick a calm moment. Begin applying to the insect's preferred locations: cracks, crevices, eaves, and baseboards where they hide. Use controlled short bursts of 1 to 3 seconds, holding the can 6 to 12 inches from the surface for even coverage. Long sprays waste product and create runoff. Once done with one area, move systematically along the perimeter. Make sure to treat entry points and nests directly without soaking surrounding plants or soil, because over-application reduces efficacy and increases risk to non-targets. After treating, ventilate the space for 30 to 60 minutes and only return when the odor and mist have dissipated to reduce inhalation. Once done, monitor activity for several days and repeat after 7 to 10 days if insects persist, observing the label's maximum frequency. If treatments fail, consider resistance, wrong species targeting, or hidden nesting. In that case, make sure to contact a professional pest control service. Troubleshoot by documenting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.